Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the USB and tools. Do this now. Plug in an 8 GB plus drive and open Rufus or the Media Creation tool. Choose the Windows ISO you downloaded. Select the correct partition scheme for your PC, MBR for legacy or GPT for UEFI, because the firmware must boot the stick. Once done, click Start and allow the tool to write the files. This creates a bootable USB. Make sure to keep the USB connected and label it so you don't overwrite other drives. You now boot from the USB and run the repair options. Restart, press the BIOS key for your PC and set the USB as the first boot device, then save and restart. When the Windows installer appears, choose Repair Your Computer, don't click Install. From Advanced Options, try Startup Repair first to fix boot files automatically. If that fails, use System Restore to revert to a known good state. For advanced fixes, open Command, prompt to run bootrec and sfc commands. These repair the bootloader and you finish by finalizing the fix and handling the common hiccups. After Windows boots normally, remove the USB and restore the BIOS boot order so internal storage boots first. This prevents accidental reinstalls. If the system still won't start, boot the USB again and run command prompt commands. bootrec/fixmber, bootrec/fixboot, and chkdsk/f on the system drive. These target corrupted boot records and disk errors. If nothing works, a clean reinstall can be the last resort. Tip: if files or drivers break, try safe mode before reinstalling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.